Well, what a cracker morning this morning. We're about an hour's north of Sydney, and today I'm meeting up with a third-generation farmer, Matt.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
How are you? Nice one. Hey, ladies, how are you? Hayden? My first time on the free-range farm. There goes one of the dogs.
Yeah.
How long have you been in this free-range chicken farming?
I'm a third-generation farmer.
Uh-huh.
Very passionate about growing Lilydale free-range chickens.
You're the man to go to about chickens.
I'm the go-to chicken man.
Well, I tell you what, I'm feeling the pressure right now. I'm about to cook for Matt and his daughters. It's looking amazing. Got a couple more on the way. There we go.
Great.
Can I join you, ladies? Good, isn't it? Here it is. Epic. Oh, they're fresh. This sort of stuff is all time. This is what you see all over Australia. Little fruit stalls on the side of the road, and I know exactly the recipe I'm going to cook with these. We've made it to this beautiful spot, and I've got a couple of buddies coming down. All right, so the Weber's cranking in the background, ready to rock and roll for our beer can chicken. We're gonna make a nice sort of orange spiced beer glaze that we're gonna baste onto the chicken as it's cooking. So really simple. Have a look at that. Hey lads.
Wow, mate, that smells amazing.
Hey?
How good's this?
Uh,
It's amazing, H.
it's not bad, eh? Real easy. That's the best thing ever.